My name is Andrew, and I am the brother that called Amy when she was in the car, wanting to commit suicide. And in a moment, I'll tell you how I came by this flat belly overnight trick to help save my sister's life and get rid of her unhealthy stomach fat that haunted her since she had her first child. But first, you need to know why Amy became obese with a BMI score of over 35 and had type 2 diabetes, which eventually led to a stroke that tore our family apart. You see, all this started because Amy was unaware of the death-like side effects of having belly fat. If you currently have any belly fat sitting in front of your stomach right now, you can be at risk of potential life-threatening diseases and not even know it. Just like it did for my sister, and she didn't even have the slightest hint. When Amy reached the age of 40, things started to make a turn for the worse. After falling victim to the countless lies from the diet and weight loss industry, she ended up in a downward spiral of continuously gaining weight. Week after week, her belly got larger and larger, and at the same time, her body was aging far beyond her actual age. And she eventually had type 2 diabetes that she never knew she could get because it never ran in our family. She didn't even know that having excess belly fat could cause all these life-threatening diseases such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and even cancer. Plus, many more chronic diseases that can be absolutely fatal to your health. Unfortunately, Amy was one of the 36% of people in North America who are obese and have a significant amount of fat around their stomach and waist. All because she fell victim to the ridiculous gimmicks from the health and weight loss industry. Some of these gimmicks include cutting back on your calories in order to lose weight, which is the worst thing you can do after the age of 40. Your body will not be able to burn off fat after you've cut down on the energy that your body desperately needs. Listen, your metabolism is slowly diminishing as you age. And if you're eating less just so you can lose weight, your body will hold on to as much fat as possible, especially around your stomach and waist. My sister fell for this trap and her stomach fat only became more noticeable. What's just as bad? Going on a low-carb diet or avoiding carbs altogether, which can actually increase your risk of having a heart attack due to the rapid increase this causes in your heart palpitations. I'll also reveal the latest research on the #1 fat-storing hormone that is injected into the fruits and vegetables you think is healthy for you, and how it's actually creating inflammation due to the toxins it's producing in your stomach, making it next to impossible to burn off belly fat. If you ever had trouble losing weight in the past, it's most likely because your body is producing large amounts of this sneaky fat-storing hormone and you don't even know it. You'll get all the latest cutting-edge information and scientific research why you should avoid these ridiculous weight loss gimmicks in Amy's story. You see, all this led to Amy having excess belly fat that continued to accumulate by the day. Not knowing that excess belly fat is the absolute #1 indicator of your health is a big mistake and should seriously be addressed. But Amy didn't know that. She didn't even know that she had type 2 diabetes until she had her first stroke. Our family was torn apart from this tragic accident. And if you have even 1 ounce of belly fat, Amy's powerful story will change your life, and it will change the way you see your health. You could have the early signs of diabetes or heart disease and not even know it. But after you hear this story, you'll be shown the new cutting-edge flat belly overnight trick that you can use tonight before going to bed to instantly melt off 1 to 2 pounds of belly fat overnight and witness a noticeable change to your stomach the next morning. So make sure you listen to my sister's story to the very end, or you'll go to bed tonight missing out on the secret to really losing belly fat while you sleep. And instead of losing belly fat when you go to bed tonight, you might actually be gaining fat around your midsection, especially if you're trying to lower your food intake or cut down on your carbs to lose weight. Like I said, it's very important you listen to Amy's story very carefully so that you can start losing belly fat effortlessly while you sleep. And within just 7 days, your love handles will slowly vanish. Your lower back fat will diminish. Your joint pain will forever be gone when all that fat sitting around your midsection that's been adding unnecessary wear and tear to your joints will finally disappear. Your skin will look more vibrant and youthful. You'll notice a huge surge in your energy and sex drive. And best of all, you'll become risk-free of any potential life-threatening diseases such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and many more. Just imagine waking up every morning and visually see your belly getting flatter and flatter. And in just a few short weeks, you will finally have the flat stomach and slim waist you've always desired. And you'll realize why everything you tried hasn't worked for you, especially if you're over the age of 40. This unique flat belly overnight trick does not require you to take a supplement, starve yourself, or go on one of those internet famous fasting diet plans. You won't even need to go to the gym or do one of those overhyped infomercial fitness products. Or worst of all, the joint-destroying high-intensity interval training sessions you see in boot camps that can possibly leave you injured for months. This never-before-seen trick can easily be performed by anyone of any age. And it even works better for men and women who are over 40 because of the specific hormonal change that occurs in your body after the age of 40. And you'll get the cutting-edge secrets to take advantage of this hormonal change so you can melt away belly fat faster than a 20-year-old. No other exercise or diet program takes advantage of this hormonal change because 90% of the programs on the internet are meant for younger people in their 20s. Today, you'll finally have the holy grail of rapidly losing belly fat overnight, especially if you've reached the age of 40, and you'll see how you can use this unique trick within Amy's story. Now, before I reveal this breakthrough trick and the powerful story of Amy's journey, I have to warn you about something. The weight loss industry is currently making a fortune off your current pain and suffering, feeding you lies that never treat the actual problem. Instead, they convince you to buy their next problem. I will reveal these lies to you in Amy's story. So make sure you listen and pay attention to Amy's story right now and not leave it off for later. These big weight loss companies are not going to like that I have this information on the internet due to the amount of money they'll be losing when everyone listening to this is going to completely ditch their bogus lies. Even big pharmaceutical companies are not going to like this information since the flat belly overnight trick has been proven to help remedy type 2 diabetes without using overpriced medication. But the number one thing that all these big companies are going to hate the most? How easy and simple this flat belly overnight trick is. You'll be astonished by how something so simple can be so effective, especially when you try it as soon as tonight. When you look in the mirror tomorrow morning, you'll be so surprised and overwhelmed that you'll think your own eyes are lying to you. You'll constantly have a smile on your face knowing you're getting noticeable results every day. You'll have a new glow of energy every morning, making you look and feel younger.